In front of me is ULEFONE Note 7P, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select System, and go to Languages and Input. Now select Languages, and here click on Add a Language. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply in your device. So as you can see here, you've got the whole list, and let me choose, for example, French. Then select the region, and then you need to replace it and put it on the first place. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, the language has been changed in the whole device. Here it is, so you can smoothly use your device in French, and then whenever you'd like to go back to English, or maybe pick any other language, you can tap on More icon, tap on Remove, select languages that you would like to remove, tap on Green icon. As you can see, the language will be switched automatically. Now it's English, and then whenever you would like to add another language, just click on Add a Language and perform the same operation we did previously. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.